Uh-oh. 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 She's home. As of this day, things just got real.
Okay, sure, no problem. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Just picked up my LAB DF3. Just been delivered. Now it's time to take it down to the lab where it all goes down. Welcome. As we're gonna be doing the unboxing right here in the lab. Today, guys, welcome. Strok'en with pipes. So, let's see what we got. Let's see if we can do our little unboxing here. Get it all on tape. So right here, my new LAB DF3. So, all right, let's see. Right here, when everything changes. We about to do it, baby. All right. Here's some of that. Make sure my baby came without any issues. Looking good. Oh yeah. The instructions there. Let's pop the DF3. 71-degree lunch angle. 34.5 on the length. Get that, get the instructions, get that. We look at that later. Voila. But what we talking about is baby girl right here. Baby girl right here. Got the Golf Lab press 3-degree. I wanted it in black. I didn't want to deal with the white and dirty grip, so I kind of got the black, even though it was a little more degree, 3-degree. And we also got the TPT shaft, so TPT upgraded shaft, along with my color code, which is money. All money. All money. Yeah. Right there. Money green. So let's jump in right there. Look like they did mess up my pick for my top line, but Man, I waited. I don't know if I'm gonna send it back, but I wanted the top line. I wanted to extend it, and I even switched, and they did mess that up. But we'll see. Maybe during the winter time. But right now, let's go ahead, jump over here, and see if we can just see what she do with a couple little putts right here. All right, right away, jump in, stroke with pikes, and let's just roll a couple real quick. Been watching a lot of videos, trying to get where I want to put the ball, etc. So let's just get a couple right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth. Ball jumps off there, nice and smooth. Alright, there it is. DF3, baby. Let's go.